Okay, let's go.
Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Sledgehammer Performance Garage. Today we're going to be doing a very minor upgrade to my car. Recently I added this Revasol D-shaped steering wheel, which I've wanted for a long time. And we're going to be adding some red paddle shift extenders to this one. I got them off Amazon for about 30 bucks during Prime Deals Day. And I think they're going to turn out pretty good. I don't really have a lot of other red things in my car aside from my start button there. So we'll have to see how this looks. Let's go over to the bench and start setting these up. Okay, so we're ready to get these set up for the car. So the first thing you want to make sure you do is prepare the receiving side of these paddles with some alcohol. So we can put the double-sided pad on here first. I'm going to let these dry for just a second. Okay, it looks like it's good enough. So we're going to go ahead and stick our stickers in place with a fairly steady hand. Sticker 1 and sticker 2. You don't have to be perfect with this. It's going to be just on the inside of the paddle, so not really a big deal if you don't get it perfect, which I seem to have not gotten perfect myself. So I got my 2 pads in here, so ready to take them over to the car and we'll get these installed. Now the first thing I'm going to do is prepare the back side of these paddles with my alcohol swabs. I'll go ahead and get these all cleaned up so that our double-sided tape adheres correctly. And since it usually takes me forever to get the double-sided tape off these things, I've started mine already. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. Make sure you've got the right one in your hand when you go to do this. Okay, so that one is on there, so I'm just going to hold it in place to make sure it adheres okay. I'll do this with even pressure for a few seconds here. While I'm holding that, I've added this sticker on the bottom here. This is normally designed to go on your fender vents, but I thought it looked pretty cool since I don't have a Z06 or a Grand Sport, so I figured it'd be kind of neat to put something down here, so I thought that was kind of cool. Alright, so that one seems to be on okay, so we're going to get ready for the second one. Peel my backing off, putting it into place here. Not quite there. Not that easy with one hand, I'll tell you that. There we go. Wasn't quite slid into place. I'll tell you, if you're thinking about getting one of these D-shaped steering wheels with a flat bottom, it's really worth it. I had a 2014, so mine was round. And this makes all the difference. Gives you a little bit more leg room, and it's kind of nice to grab onto a little bit thicker material in the ring here. And then also just makes it a little bit easier to steer when you've got that flat bottom. Okay. These are adhered, and I think that looks pretty neat. It kind of brings out the red and the Corvette symbol here and the L down to my 6.2 liter. And again, I've got my red start button over here, so that's probably going to be the extent of my red accessories, but I think it looks pretty good. I'd like to get your opinion on them, so tell me what you think down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.